Welcome to this technical guide on the MSI Prestige 14. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your MSI Prestige 14 keyboard isn't responding at all, you're not alone. This issue can arise due to various reasons, such as a faulty connection or a damaged keyboard component. If left unresolved, it can severely hinder your productivity, making it difficult to type or navigate your device. To get started on the repair, you will need a few tools, a Phillips screwdriver, a spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any electrostatic discharge. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step repair process. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Place it on a soft surface to avoid scratches. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws located on the bottom panel. Keep these screws safe, as you'll need them later. Once all screws are out, gently use the spudger to pry open the bottom panel, taking care not to apply too much force to avoid damaging any clips. With the panel removed, locate the keyboard connector. This is usually a flat ribbon cable attached to the motherboard. Gently lift the connector latch using your spudger and pull the cable out. If you notice any physical damage to the keyboard itself, it may need replacing. To do this, remove any screws holding the keyboard in place. Remember to keep track of these screws, as they can be different lengths. Carefully lift the keyboard out, ensuring not to pull on any cables connected underneath. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the old keyboard is out, take your new keyboard and connect it to the motherboard by sliding the ribbon cable back into the connector and securing the latch. Replace any screws that hold the keyboard in place, ensuring they are snug but not overly tight to prevent stripping. After securing the keyboard, it's time to reattach the bottom panel. Align it properly and gently press down until you hear the clips engage. Replace all the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened securely. Finally, power on your MSI Prestige 14 to check if the keyboard is now responsive. If it works, congratulations! You've successfully repaired your device. To prevent this issue from occurring again, ensure to keep your keyboard clean and free from dust and debris. Regular maintenance can also help keep connections intact. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.